Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a car cleaning product that's in high demand and getting a lot of attention, the Armor All Car Wipes Multi-Pack. The big question is it really worth buying or is it just another overhyped car cleaning product? Let's find out. In this pack, you get 3 different types of wipes: cleaning wipes, protectant wipes, and glass wipes. You can think of it as a complete car cleaning kit. Now, let's talk about what you can actually clean with this product. These wipes are designed for your dashboard, seats, plastic surfaces, and other interior areas of your car. Honestly, they work pretty well for light dirt and dust. They also help protect surfaces from UV damage. If your car just needs a bit of shine, these wipes get the job done easily and give a nice finish. Your car's interior can start to look almost like new again. However, some people might find the shine a bit too glossy. That said, it's not perfect. These wipes are not meant for deep cleaning or professional detailing. If your car is very dirty, they won't be enough. Also, the glass wipes could be better, and overusing the protectant wipes might leave some residue behind. So, here's my final verdict. If you want something quick, simple, and convenient for regular cleaning, this is a great option. But if you're expecting professional-level results, it's not a replacement for high-end detailing products. If you want to buy it, I've added the link in the description. You can easily get it from Amazon.